I'm about to cry right now. I'm just about to cry. I'm at the Bridgewater Mall. They just opened today, as of all indoor malls. So, of course, the first thing I do, Macy's returns. Then I have to go talk to the cell phone company. Then gym time. I'm gonna do a review on my mask in real world use for the gym. The one thing to kind of look forward to at the mall is that you don't have to really suffer looking for parking, because not everyone's coming. As you can see, all the kiosks basically just went out of business. Here's another one that went out of business. Here's another one that went out of business. So everyone's going out of business. None of these stores are actually open. I'll show you. Sprint's not open. Starbucks isn't open. All these stores aren't open. So what's the point of coming to the mall? You know? Lego store's not open. Who's open? No one's even open. Layla, what are you doing? You watering the plants? Get the other plants too.
The little one. Like
The little ones. They're so thirsty.
this one down here. Like that.
Good job, baby.
Yeah.
Thumbs up. So today is back day, and I'm going to work out with this. In case you guys are interested in buying one of these, this is the vent mask that has a vent inside it and a filter. So let me just open it up. Here's the little vents, or the little filters. Here's the vent. Now I gotta prop it open. That's where it goes. All right, here we go. Like right off the bat, it's kind of hard to like not drink this when I have this on. So yeah, and then kind of not able to see as much. But I'm working out back. I'm not doing any hardcore football training, so we'll see. Oh. So it's obviously a lot harder to breathe. I don't even think you can hear me. It's much harder to breathe. It's kind of getting annoying here. There's a little opening down here from time and again because my chin isn't that big. Oh. Yeah. So far my heart rate's the same, so. Okay, so besides not able to breathe 100%, which is the point, there's some things like, look, I can do that with this mask on, which is, I guess, a good thing. And one size does not fit all. Let me take this off. yeah, other than that, it did its job. It restricted my breathing. I put on the lowest setting so that way I don't die. Um, would I recommend this mask? Yes, but only for a certain amount of training, like sprint style training, MMA, UFC type of stuff, or like some cardio stuff, just so that you can increase your breathing capacity over time. Supposedly this shit's not really 100% researched, but that's what the inside looks like. Half of it's the filter, the other half is like to breathe in and out. I don't know. So yeah, the material's nice, feels great. It's obviously washable, and then you could take it out and put in other kinds of types. But again, like I said, I wouldn't really recommend this for everyday gym goers. If you really don't want anything to do with the virus, then I highly recommend just staying home or going to the gym at random hours. And you can also ask your gym different types of HEPA filters that they use, because in most places they have to have filters that filter out dust and disease-causing bacteria and viruses. So, oh my god. Another thing, the mask, like, it just sits right here, so it kind of hurts. Now I can do this all the way. All right, so yeah, that's my review for the gym, using it as an everyday kind of thing. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to a weird guy's channel, but in a funny, weird way. So. Post-workout cookie. Actually, let me break it in half first. Now I'm gonna bite it. My friend, I know you're watching this. This should be your next business. This should be your next business, buddy.